this script is loading, guys, and now we will see does it actually work. Nice. As you can see, we got all these amazing features. So hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for dead rails for Roblox. I will show you everything step by step how you can get this script for mobile, guys, without using PC and without downloading any modded APKs or any software. It's all online, and later we will test it. Does it actually work? So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called blocksforge.com. You will find it easily and click on browse script. So after this, click on dead rails. That's our game. And guys, now we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile, login. I mean, if you're logged in already, just click your URL, copy your URL, and let's get back. So when you copy your profile URL, just click here on this button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So it will paste your user ID and click here continue. So guys, it should search for our user account. So as you can see, user found. Nice. So guys, there we go, user connected Mark. That's my name and that's my avatar. So now we will have to import Delta Executor into our Roblox, or if you already have any executor, you can select here. So if you have already Delta Executor, select yes. If you already have any another, just click I have a different executor. I currently have any executor and I want to install Delta Executor into my Roblox. So I will import it. And now a really important step is to select script for our dead rails. So just click here and select this Forge Hub, guys, and we will test it with Forge Hub. Does it actually work? So click continue and wait for this API to connect. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I'll record it more. So yeah, nice guys, API is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha. So we must do it because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. And guys, I forgot to say, look at this, we got our activation key generated. Nice. So let's click I'm not robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our dead rail script with key, and it's one-time manual verification. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. You can complete literally whatever you like, it's your choice. So just complete 2 tasks from this list and we will get this verification passed. So guys, what will I do now? I will download Playful Rewards and Domino Dreams. So how I do it, just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store, so you don't have to worry because it's all from the official publisher and it's free. So after this, it's really important to follow their instructions. So for each task, for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes. And for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open, and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial about these tasks. See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Playful Rewards and Domino Dreams, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute. I have completed this, and let's see, will we actually get redirected? It should redirect us every single second. As I said, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check, guys. Our user ID connected and our key is connected. So as you can see, it's revealed now. And now guys, it's test time. We will open our Roblox and open our dead rails, and now we will test does it actually work. So let's open my Dead Rails game. And let's see, does it actually work? So let's go up there. Nice, we got our Delta Executor as we imported, and now we will see does it actually work in game. So I will create the party. Wait, party size 1. I will create it and it should start really quick. So let's wait, guys, for this to start, and then we will see does it actually work. We will enable our Dead Rails script. As you can remember, we selected Forge Hub from blocksforge.com, and now we will see does it actually work. There we go. That's our pre-installed script, Forge Hub. Let's click execute, guys, and let's see does it actually work. So this script is loading, guys, and now we will see does it actually work. Nice. As you can see, we got all these amazing features. So player no clip, ESP. We can literally play with whatever we like. And let me just test this no clip. So we should go through the walls now, guys, with this no clip. As you can see, it works amazing. We got ESPs and it works amazing. We can play literally with all these amazing options. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. And if you enjoyed it and if you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.